Here we go, Carnegie Park, California. Zach Barrick right there in the middle of the grave. Little injury here for Zach Barrick. How you feel?
Woo! Fucked up. My shoulder's fucking jacked, dude. There's something definitely wrong with my shoulder. And then I killed it.
There's something wrong with Carnegie, California.
I killed it. Did you see me? I died off the start. And then I just fucking ripped it and I came back. I don't know what place I was in, but I was like moving. Oh my god, dude. My fucking ribs hurt.